Miss Ashley and
Ella.
and
Mary.
and
Oakley.
we are going to be doing Play-Doh. So let's get ready. We're going to mix them. So what we need to do today, we'll just put the recipe down below. So we need 2 cups of flour. Ella, are you doing that?
No.
Who's doing the flour? Mary's doing the flour.
2 cups. 1 and 2 of these. I know. No, I can do it.
And then Ella, we need 1 cup.
I will get started.
Wait, Ella, I think you're doing flour and Mary wants to do salt. Okay. All right, Ella, we're gonna do
There's
1
a
cup
little
of
bit.
salt. I'll get you.
There's only a little bit.
Okay, that's why we have 2 bags, so we can use both bags. Okay, here you go, Ella. And we're gonna put this all in the pot. Ella, can you do 1 cup of that? And then Oakley, let's do 1 tablespoon.
Am I supposed to?
Oh wait, is that all the way full?
No.
No.
I need that.
Okay, here's the cream of tartar. You can do 1 of those. Oh, that's like gone, actually. Let's use this one.
Okay.
Do 2 of those. Oakley, you can pour yours in.
And then mine.
Awesome. That's great. Pour that in. You need to do 1 more of those, okay?
Wow. I will wash my hands after this.
Okay.
1 more?
Okay, Ella, you ready for your salt?
Yes. I customized salt.
Oh yeah? Has a pattern in it.
Can't really see this.
Okay, you want to pour that in?
Of course.
Oh, Mary's already ready. Perfect. You can hit it on this and it'll come out easier, Mary. Good. You want to just wash your hands or something?
That's
Perfect.
very
Ella,
good.
you ready for the salt? Okay.
Ooh, so satisfying. Ew.
Tell me. Okay, now it is on the stove. We're gonna turn on the stove. You need parents' help, okay? Or a big sister's help. So we have our flour, our salt, and our cream of tartar in the pot. Now we're gonna pour in 2 cups water and 1 tablespoon of oil. You wanna pour it in, Mary?
Sure.
What do you want to stir?
Alex.
Okay. Okay, can you stir it? Yeah, okay, you can come sit here. Okay, stir.
Good job, Mary.
Keep stirring. Oh, and we have it on medium to high heat.
Can I stir a little bit, Mary?
And let Oakley get some of that sides, okay? Can you let Oakley help? Woo, careful. Good. Nice. Nice sound. I thought you were listening. Don't grab the camera. No, we gotta keep going.
I will do the rest.
Come on.
Okay. Yeah. It's hard, huh? There's a big clump on.
Mary, do you want me to get you a spoon too? Cute little one. So you can get the sides really well. Here's this one.
Here, I'll use this one while you use that one.
First.
No.
Mary, can she hold that one for you? Good. Keep stirring. You gotta get the bottom so it doesn't burn. Can I help? Make sure it doesn't burn on the bottom. I have to push really hard. That's okay. Ooh, it's starting to feel like Play-Doh a little bit. Okay, you want to stir it a little bit? Oh, don't touch it. starting to look like Play-Doh, isn't it?
Yes.
So we're going to do 2 colors. Mary, do you remember what the 2 colors are? All right, so we just cleaned up, so we can put the color on the Play-Doh. It's gonna be so fun. Hang on, we're gonna do it when we put it on the counter.
No,
Try not to shake too much so our friends can see, okay?
Hang on, we're gonna do it.
All right, we're gonna split this in half. We're gonna give half of it to Oakley and half of it to Mary.
Oh, that's so hot.
Okay, yeah, let it cool down just a little bit.
I get so much.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Ooh, it smells like Play-Doh. That's kind of a funny smell. Do you want to show this? Hang on, we're gonna put
Smell
that
it.
in. When it
I
think can't smell it very. Oh, that is not. How about I have an idea?
Myself?
Because we're gonna make 2 colors. One of you can have yellow, and one of you can have blue.
I'm good.
Okay.
Mary, I don't.
Look! Look! It looks like Play-Doh. Do you see that?
Potatoes.
It really does look like potatoes. All right, make a hole in here so we can put the food coloring in. And salt. Perfect. Do you want to start adding some color?
Sure.
All right. We just made Play-Doh. What do you think?
I kind of made it to the
Okay. Perfect.
I did it with
Guys,
Be
be
so
super
cool.
careful with the coloring. You can
Yeah.
probably stand. You don't need very much. Just put like, you say like 5 to start, and then we'll mix it around. Ooh, wow.
Hang on.
Okay, mix it around, and then we'll add more if we need to. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna split this in half. We're gonna do 2 colors. Yes. Mary, don't sit down here so it doesn't get on your pants. Here, let me get you a different stool. Come sit here.
Oh, I'm starting to turn yellow a little.
Whoa. Here, let's add a little bit of glitter for fun. Okay. Here, make a hole in it so we can put it.
Okay.
Okay. Woo! Are you ready?
Let me pour.
Just do a little bit. It can get everywhere. You gotta be so careful with glitter. So Oakley have some? I'll put some in your stars. See, stars are shining. Alright. So, keep kneading. We're going to knead it. Do you know what kneading means?
No.
It means this. Oh, it's pretty hot, so be careful. Let it cool down. Oakley's already doing hers. She's doing awesome. Put some of those ones in there. Yeah, purple.
These ones?
Yeah. Put a couple drops of each.
Okay, I'm going to make a hole.
Okay.
Can I add some more?
Yeah.
To start
Ooh, that's looking really good though. Do you want to add a little bit more glitter too?
I didn't add glitter yet.
Oh, okay.
I think I think
Add a little. Did you put any of that red in? Good
No.
job. Okay, do that after. Okay.
The colors.
That's enough, Mary. That will
Mine's
go
kind of
really far.
turning yellow.
Yeah, you can add some more.
Yeah.
You can add a little more. Perfect.
Mine.
Oh, just have to wash really good.
Can you use that yellow?
Yeah,
Did you get some stuff on your fingers? Nope, not yet.
that's really good, Mary. Perfect. Just pull it, Mary.
It's a jail.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. This sounds really weird.
Jail. Jail.
We'll wash your hands after.
I added a little bit.
Okay, keep mixing really well before we add any more, okay? Let's see how much we actually have in there. Can you hand me your colors, Mary? Mary, just push. Good. folded. That's a good way to do it. Fold it around. Perfect.
That kind of looks like scars. Like purple blue scars on your skin.
Be so careful with glitter because it gets everywhere.
And then
Good job. You're doing awesome.
it sticks.
Yeah. All right, Kayla Oakley has some for her stars.
Thank you. We can put it in the middle.
Yeah, you can twist it so more comes out. All right, Mary is going to roll this out so it looks like the sky. It kind of looks like the galaxy, right? All the different colors. Good job, Mary. We're gonna make a picture. So Oakley's getting our stars ready. Mary's making the night sky. And then we're gonna make some constellations. Do you guys know what those are? Do you know what constellations are?
Yes.
Ella, do you know what constellations are?
Yes.
What are they?
They're like shapes, like the Big Dipper, for example. They're like shapes from stars in the
Good
sky.
job.
So
Mary.
if you
Yeah, look at
and there's
that.
the North Star.
That's okay, we'll wipe it.
The Big Dipper, the small,
It looks like a neon.
the Little
Yeah.
Dipper, and all that stuff.
Perfect.
So
Yeah,
you
they
can
like
look at
groups
the
of stars.
sky and you'll
That's okay, we'll
see
just wash
stuff.
it. Yeah, good job.
So
We're gonna
that's
make
for the
those shapes
stars and
today.
that's for the sky.
And I'll show you guys some patterns, okay? We're gonna make the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper. Oh, and some
Where's
more of
the-
them. We're so excited.
Where's the shapes?
Well, I'll show you. I'm gonna go get some toothpicks and then we're gonna use those as the stars and then put them in the sky. So Mary, make that really flat, okay? Good job, look how cool that looks.
Is there another one that I can make this one flat too?
Yeah. So we're gonna make these and I'll show them a picture of constellations in the sky too. So these are all stars, okay? And then these lines are gonna be the toothpicks right here. And then we're gonna
One more.
look, you guys are doing awesome. That looks just like that. It looks like the Big Dipper.
There we go.
Oh, that's awesome. Ella, which one are you making? So cool. Little Dipper. Just make the Little Dipper. It's upside down. Here. The Little Dipper and the Big Dipper. That's what they're both doing. Wow, that's looking really good, you guys.
Here's the Big Dipper. Ella, you have Play-Doh in your hair. That's fine. Ella,
Are you making the Big Dipper?
yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, so now we need the dot.
Yeah. So she's gonna take some of her star. And she's gonna make the Big Dipper. Good job.
And right here.
I'm gonna make that one for my first, and then I'll
Okay.
make the small.
job, Mary.
I'll make the little bigger.
Perfect. Oh, if there's not enough room, we could take turns. We could finish one of these, and then we could take it off and make another one, okay? I'm going to start with this one. Mary, are you guys done with the Big Dipper?
Yes.
Okay, let's see how that looks. Guys, that looks awesome. That looks just like the picture. Good job. Yeah, we can take it off and you guys can make the Little Dipper now. Awesome. You guys can all help. Look how cool that looks.
It's like marble.
Yeah. Wow. All right, do you guys want to make the Little Dipper? Or you can make one of these guys.
Let's do this one.
Want to do the triangle one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Happy to easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's. Oh no!
That's okay.
Hold on. No, don't do it too far down.
Oh yeah, don't do it too far down.
Get it out. Don't do that.
Can't do it far down. Let's move it. Here's the triangle. There. Sew it back together.
Okay.
So